Hey guys, so in this video I wanted to share with y'all this cool integral. Okay, so let's get started. So we have the integral of the Lambert W function. Okay, so to start, let's just start off with some basic features of the Lambert W function. Namely, if you take the Lambert W function of this type of functions like u e to the u, you just get u back. Alright, so essentially the Lambert W function and u e to the u are inverse functions. Okay, and so then we can make the substitution. So if we let u, not u, if we let x equal u e to the u, and then that's nice because then when you take Lambert, when you take w of that, you just get u back, right? And so then to find dx, we just differentiate u e to the u, and you get e to the u times 1 plus u du. Alright, so then this integral becomes u e to the u times 1 plus u du. Alright, so then if we distribute, we get u e to the u plus u squared e to the u du. And then from here, we can just split this integral into two integrals and then do each of the integrals using integration by parts. So we get the integral of u e to the u plus the integral of u squared e to the u. And so then if we do integration by parts for each of these, for the first one, you get u e to the u minus e to the u, the integral of e to the u. And then for the second integral, we can just use the di method, right? So basically, in the di method, you pick one of the functions to differentiate, which is what the d stands for, and then you integrate the other function. So in this case, we will differentiate u squared, and we'll integrate e to the u. Okay, and so then if we just differentiate down, so derivative of u squared is 2u, and then 2, and then derivative of 2 is 0, and then integrate e to the u, we just get e to the u all the way down, right? And then you just multiply diagonally across like that. And so this integral just becomes u squared e to the u minus 2e to the u plus 2e to the u. Okay? Alright. And so then this integral of e to the u, that's just e to the u, right? And so then we can combine like terms. So if we just take this term first, u squared e to the u, and then we have u e to the u right here, minus 2u e to the u, so that's negative u e to the u. And then we have negative e to the u plus 2e to the u, so then we get 1e to the u plus e to the u plus c. And then don't forget the back substitute. So right here we have u times u e to the u, and u to e to the u is just x. And also from here we can just get that u is equal to the Lambert W function, right? So basically this becomes x times the Lambert W function, and then minus u e to the u, that's just x, plus e to the u, which is e to the w of x, plus c. Done. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought this intro was pretty interesting. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button.